everybody. This is Beverly Black, and I'm here this evening to do working with a collaboration with 4 other YouTube content creators. We are doing a 4th of July feast, and today I will be fixing a lime cake. Very easy, very simple. If you like key lime, you will love this recipe. But I want to give a shout out to the ladies who will be in this collaboration with me. Melda 242, Tashonda Claycom, and Lynn in the kitchen with Lynn. We're all collaborating together and coming with different dishes for the 4th of July. But my first dish is this cake. And what you will need is 1 box of white cake mix or vanilla. So today I'm using vanilla. You will need a cup of lime yogurt, or you can use a cup of sour cream. 1 tablespoon of lime zest, 3 tablespoons of lime juice, and a half a cup of oil, which I have spilled, but that's all right. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it into the container right now. And my assistant, will you get me a spatula out of the drawer, please? I forgot to get a spatula out. Right there. I'm gonna go ahead and pour the cake mix in. That one right there, the red one. Thank you. I'm pouring in the cake mix. And you mix all these ingredients together. You don't have to wait on, and 4 eggs. I forgot to tell y'all about 4 eggs. I'm putting in the lime, not lemon, lime. And I'm using yogurt instead of sour cream. I have lime yogurt. And make sure that your yogurt is not fat-free. Don't use the fat-free. You want the real yogurt. The lemon zest, not lemon lime. I keep saying lemon. And the 4 eggs. And my eggs are room temperature. Then you mix it all together. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Spray your bundt pan, which I have already done. Now we're going to mix this cake up. It has icing that go on the top, and we'll do that once it gets out of the oven. This is a very easy way to make a lime cake. And you can mix it for about up to 2 minutes. Okay, it's all mixed together. We're getting ready to put this in the pan. Remember, it is 1 box of cake mix. You can use vanilla, or you can use white cake mix. 1 cup of yogurt, lime yogurt. Don't get the fat-free. Make sure it's regular yogurt. Or you can use 1 cup of sour cream, a half a cup of oil, 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon of lime zest, and 3 tablespoons of lime juice. And that's it. We want to pour it. Make sure it's all mixed up good here. And I'm going to put it in the pan. You'll bake it for about 25 to 30 minutes, depending on your oven. And I'll give you the bake time that it took my oven when it is done. So simple, and this is a great cake recipe for the summertime, anytime really. If you like lime, key lime pie, key lime cake, it's all good. I'm gonna clean off the edges. Tap it on get the air bubbles out. And my assistant, when you come and turn it on, I will be back when the cake is done. The key lime cake is ready. And what I used for the glaze was 2 cups of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of lime juice. Mix it all together. If you want it a little thicker, you can put in more powdered sugar. But I wanted mine to be a little thin, like this. I wanted it thin. So that's how I made the glaze. The cake baked for about 35 minutes, and it really depends on your oven. Insert a toothpick to see if the cake is done. When you bring it out, let it cool for 15 minutes, then turn it onto your cake pan. And you have your key lime cake or lime cake. I can't wait to cut into it to see how it looks. And I believe I'll cut a piece so you can see. So hold on. The cake is still warm, but we're gonna cut a piece and see how it is. Put this right here. Here is a slice. You can see the lime zest that is in the cake. This is a slice of the key or the lime cake, the key lime. I'm going to take a taste here. Oh my, it is really good. You can taste the lime. So good. So everyone, thank you for coming by, for taking your time to watch this video. I so appreciate it. Everyone have a blessed and prosperous day. And blessed holidays, most important. Be safe. Let me take this big knife out of here. I'm gonna put it right here. And I thank you for everyone who has shared in this collaboration. Everyone be blessed and prosperous. And as you watch the different ones, the different channels, and have watched the different channels, please subscribe to those channels if you have not. And I thank you once more and again. Remember, I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are His masterpiece. Stay safe, everyone.